Breaking news from the digital frontier. A revolution is unfolding in the world of cinema. Something seismic just hit Hollywood, an AI director called Runway Gen-3 Alpha. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. Forget the old rules. No more massive crews, million-dollar cameras, or endless shoots. The traditional filmmaking process is being redefined. This AI lets you type a sentence and watch a movie scene appear. It's as simple as writing an email. Imagine, you dream up an epic space battle, type it out, and in minutes you get a blockbuster-worthy scene. The possibilities are endless. This isn't sci-fi, it's real. Right now, September 5th, 2025, the future of filmmaking is here. The revolution isn't just for studios, it's for everyone. From aspiring filmmakers to seasoned veterans, everyone can join in. For decades, filmmaking was a closed club. Only a select few had the keys to the kingdom. You needed connections, cash, and luck. It was a world of exclusivity and privilege. Gen-3 Alpha kicks that door wide open. It's a new dawn for storytellers everywhere. Now anyone with a story can create cinematic magic. The barriers to entry are falling away. I've seen the scale of big movies, the people, the logistics, the cost. It's a monumental task. But I've also seen great stories left untold because they were too expensive to make. Those barriers, they're crumbling, one by one. This AI is more than a gadget, it's a democratizer. It's changing the landscape of creativity. It levels the playing field, making creativity the most important currency in filmmaking. Ideas are now the true power. Whether you're a kid with wild ideas or a seasoned director, the game has changed. Everyone has a voice. The power to create is at your fingertips. It's a thrilling time to be a creator. The stories that never had a chance before, now they do. The stage is set for new narratives. Gen-3 Alpha is a tool for pure imagination. It's a canvas for the mind's eye. The world of filmmaking just got a whole lot bigger, and a whole lot more exciting. The horizon is limitless. The only limit now is your imagination. What will you create? Welcome to the new era of movies, a world where dreams become reality. Let's see what you'll create. The future of film is in your hands. Let's break it down. No tech jargon, no confusing terms, just the basics you need to know. Runway. Gen-3 Alpha is like having a genius filmmaker living right inside your computer, ready to bring your wildest ideas to life at any moment. This AI has been trained on millions of videos and images from all over the world, so it understands how things look, move, and what makes a scene feel truly cinematic. All you have to do is give it a prompt, type out a description or upload an image, and it will generate a completely new video from scratch, tailored to your vision. It's not just remixing old footage or pulling from a stock library, it's inventing every frame, pixel by pixel, based entirely on your imagination and instructions. The results? You get visuals that look like they belong in a Hollywood blockbuster. Realistic lighting, detailed textures, and lifelike movement that make your scenes pop. Want to see a knight battling a dragon in the heart of a volcano with lava flowing all around? Or maybe you're dreaming of a romantic sunset on a Bali beach. Just describe it, and Gen-3 Alpha brings it to life. No need for cameras, actors, or expensive sets, just your ideas and a laptop are all it takes to start creating. Gen-3 Alpha is like a virtual production studio that anyone can use, whether you're a pro or just starting out. You don't have to be a tech wizard or a filmmaker, just describe what you want to see and let the AI handle the rest. It understands not just what you say, but the style, mood, and even the most complex lighting setups you can imagine. The best part? It's incredibly fast and accessible, so you can go from idea to finished video in minutes, not days. Your imagination is the only requirement. There are no limits to what you can create. It's like having a Hollywood budget, but without the Hollywood price tag. Welcome to filmmaking, completely reimagined for everyone. Let's talk superpowers. Imagine having the ability to turn your imagination into reality, right from your desk. First up, text to video. Just write what you want to see, and Gen-3 Alpha brings it to life. Want a majestic eagle soaring over the Grand Canyon at sunrise? Done. The AI reads your words and instantly transforms them into cinematic visuals, no camera crew required. The AI understands your descriptions and interprets them with stunning detail, capturing the mood, lighting, and movement you imagined. Next, image to video. Upload a photo, a sketch, or even concept art, and the AI animates it. Suddenly cars drive down the street, rain falls gently, and people come to life, all from a single image. It's a revolutionary way to breathe life into your static art, turning still moments into dynamic stories. Speed is another game changer. Traditional VFX can take days or even weeks. but Gen 3 Alpha delivers high-definition clips in just minutes, letting you move from idea to finished video faster than ever. This means you can experiment, tweak, and iterate on your projects without waiting for long render times or expensive revisions. And the quality? It's ultra-realistic. Forget the days of weird, blurry AI videos. Now every frame is sharp, detailed, and cinematic. Gen 3 Alpha nails human characters too. You get natural expressions, lifelike skin, and believable movement, making digital people feel truly real. It's closing the gap between digital and real, making digital actors so convincing you'll forget they aren't human. You can try out different ideas, styles, and moods in seconds, switching from drama to comedy or from day to night with just a few clicks. The visuals are always crisp, clean, and cinematic, ready for the big screen or your next viral post. Gen 3 Alpha isn't just a tool, it's a creative partner, helping you brainstorm, visualize, and bring your wildest ideas to life. The future of filmmaking is here, and it's smarter than ever. Your words become worlds. That's the magic of Gen 3 Alpha. Cool visuals are great, but filmmaking is about storytelling, and Gen 3 Alpha gives you real control. You're not just telling it what to make, you're directing how it's shot. Specify camera moves, slow pans, dramatic zooms, handheld action, it listens. This lets you add emotion, style, and intention to every shot. The AI understands cinematic language, angles, movement, mood. It simulates real-world physics and lighting reflections, shadows, water, fire, smoke, all look and behave naturally. Ask for morning light through trees and you get those perfect cinematic rays. Character consistency is another leap. Your digital actors look the same across scenes. Now you can follow a character through a story, shot after shot. This is narrative filmmaking, powered by AI. The illusion is seamless. The world feels real. You're not just making clips, you're crafting cinema. Gen 3 Alpha puts you in the director's seat for real. Ready to make your first movie? Here's how. Go to the Runway website, sign up, and open Gen 3 Alpha. The interface is simple. A big text box awaits your ideas. Step 1. Write your prompt, be specific. Describe the subject, action, setting, and mood. Example. A vintage red convertible drives along a coastal highway at sunset. Add style notes if you want. Cinematic, 1980s action, hyper-detailed. Hit generate. In minutes your video appears. Watch your first take. If it's not perfect, tweak your prompt, change the time, color, or camera angle. Experiment. Try different shots, use image to video, and generate multiple versions. Download the clips you love. Build your story, shot by shot. Piece together a sequence, a scene, or even a short film. No film degree or tech background needed. The process is fast, fun, and creative. You go from idea to finished video in minutes. The only limit is your imagination. Anyone can do it. That's the magic of Gen 3 Alpha. Who's this for? Everyone. Independent filmmakers and creators can finally bring big ideas to life, no budget barriers. YouTubers and influencers can create stunning visuals and effects, no VFX team required. Ad agencies can test concepts and styles instantly, slashing costs and turnaround times. Teachers can make history and science come alive with cinematic lessons. Corporate trainers can build realistic simulations for job training. Social media creators can stand out with custom, high-quality content. From epic sci-fi to beauty vlogs, Gen 3 Alpha empowers all storytellers. No more gatekeepers, just creativity. If you have a story, you have the tools. The playing field is level. The future of content creation is open to all. Let's get practical. Gen 3 Alpha saves time, money, and your sanity. Traditional filmmaking means months of planning, huge crews, and massive budgets. With Gen 3 Alpha, you skip the logistics. Just describe your scene, and it's made. No location scouting, no casting, no set building. Need a cyberpunk city or a medieval castle? Type it out. The AI generates actors, props, and costumes. No salaries, no rentals. Production costs drop from millions to almost nothing. No weather delays, no technical mishaps. Your set is your computer. Shoot anytime, anywhere with a crew of one you. The stress of big productions disappears. You focus on story, not logistics. Experiment freely. If a shot doesn't work, just generate another. Creativity thrives when you're not worried about wasting time or money. Gen 3 Alpha makes filmmaking playful, fast, and accessible. What does this mean for Hollywood? The next blockbuster could come from anyone, anywhere. Hollywood is no longer a place. It's an idea, open to all. Gen 3 Alpha is the great equalizer, giving everyone pro-level tools. We'll see new voices, new stories, and new perspectives like never before. Just like music tech revolutionized recording, AI is about to explode creativity in film. Bedroom filmmakers will become industry leaders. Traditional filmmaking won't vanish, but AI will be an essential tool. Directors will use it for pre-visualization, VFX, and more. The craft shifts from technical know-how to creative vision. Writers, artists, and dreamers can all be filmmakers now. The new Hollywood is a meritocracy of imagination. The future belongs to storytellers. We're at a crossroads. AI filmmaking is powerful, exciting, and a bit daunting. It puts a movie studio in anyone's hands, promising more diverse stories and creative freedom. But it raises big questions. What about jobs, ethics? Can we tell what's real? These are challenges we'll face together as a creative community. I'm optimistic. This is a tool to unlock human potential, not replace it. Now everyone can build worlds and tell stories. The future isn't written yet. We're writing it, one prompt at a time. So what do you think? Is AI the future of filmmaking? Will it change movies forever or create new problems? Let's talk about it in the comments below.